What if your workouts worked for you? Your home, your schedule, your goals. Because real progress happens when you take control. When you set the terms instead of following the leader. Introducing a new way to work out. Connect, compete, embrace the challenge, and step up your game. Ergatta.
Quick charge technology charges up to 85% faster than standard chargers. Anker uses this technology to create the world's fastest phone and tablet chargers, so you can stop worrying about your battery and start enjoying the good things in life. Anker. Charge fast, live more.
The only thing certain in life is uncertainty. So, what should you do? Waiting forever for the power to come back on? No problem, we've got you covered. Prepare yourself for unexpected emergencies. Stay connected and safe during unforeseen circumstances. Living off-grid with AC200 enables you to power computers, phones, refrigerators, and more. Producing 2,000 watts of continuous power with a huge 1,700 watt-hour capacity. Capable of powering a wide range of devices and appliances with multiple port options, allowing you to power up to 17 devices simultaneously. Keep your food fresh and cool during prolonged power outages. Bluetti AC200 is a cleaner and quieter generator than fossil-fueled alternatives. Be ready for any kind of power outage or emergency. With 5 different ways to recharge your AC200. Efficient solar charging combined with the built-in MPPT controller is fantastic for outdoor activities.